Want to know how to save items while grinding log events in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle? Here's how to save your support items in long Dokkan events so you stop wasting Whis, Icarus, and Princess Snakes every run. First, always pick units with stacking defense. The stronger your defense becomes, the less items you'll ever need. Second, run a unit with guard or damage reduction. One good tank can replace two items every single turn. Third, use orc sensors so your hitters super consistently and build attack and defense faster. And simply a big one. Don't waste items early. So make sure you only use them if you get a terrible rotation or if you know a super attack is coming up. So items are super important while grinding, especially for log events in Dragon Balls. So this is how you can easily save them. This strategy alone will cut out your item uses in half, making long events easier and way more efficient. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.